Okay, so let's verify that each of the switch is the root bridge of uh, root bridge of the related for a VLAN. Okay, so if we go to this switch 0, I'm going to command line and then go to show spanning tree. Okay, notice that this gonna be this core switch or switch 0 will be the root bridge for VLAN 1 here. Okay, this is the root bridge of VLAN 1. Okay, this is the root bridge of VLAN 1. Notice that. Okay, and then now we're gonna verify the switch 1, which is the root bridge of VLAN 10. I'm gonna click this and then I'm gonna go to command line, type show spanning tree. Okay, as you can see that this one is VLAN 10 is going to be, this is the root bridge of a VLAN 10. This bridge is the root bridge of VLAN 10. Okay, and now if I go to the next one, which is this one, the switch number 2 or the faculty VLAN, if I go here, enter, show spanning tree, there. So this will be the root bridge of VLAN 20. As you can see that this bridge is the root bridge of VLAN 20. Okay, now I want to introduce you the concept of what do you call this, BPDU guard. Okay, BPDU guard is to make sure that it protects the port from creating switching loops and shut down if the BPDU are detected. Okay, so for example, if I create a, let's say that I put a device here, is a computer. Okay, let's say that I'm gonna create, let's say that I have one PC. When I plug to this PC, we don't want to wait for 90 seconds to send the BPDU. So here, if I send this to, for example, I put here, it may take a while. If you don't want to wait for 90 seconds, 30 to 90 seconds for the BPDU to start, I'm going to run a command called spanning tree port fast. Okay, so let me show you how it works. As you can see that it takes about 90 seconds to make this light turn into green. So if you want to make it fast, we can go to click here and then we can run this one, enable config T, and then we can run this command called integer fast ethernet 0 1 to 2. For example, fast ethernet 0 1 to 2, like this. Oh, let me see why it's not allowing here. Let me see. Okay, here I forget the range here, so I'm gonna put like this, interface range fast ethernet 0 1 to 2. I'm gonna put spanning tree port fast, so the PC will not wait about 90 seconds to send the BPDU. But as you can see that we have a warning that the port fast should only enable on port connected to a single host, because if you connect this to a hub, switches or bridge, or it's gonna create switching loops. So We will show you later how to do that using a spanning tree BPDU guard enable, so to prevent switching loops. So now if I put additional devices here, which is a computer, and then put it here and then connect it to port number 2, they will not wait until 90 seconds here. I click here, fast Ethernet, I just send it to post Ethernet 2. Notice that it's gonna give you a green light automatically. Okay, so instead of waiting for 90 seconds. Alright, so how to create a spanning tree BPDU guard enable so it will protect the port from creating switching loops and shut down the port if the BPDU are detected. So here how it goes. I'm gonna create this. Let's say that I'm gonna make sure that if a switch connected to this switch, if I create a rough switch and connected to this legitimate switch, it's gonna shut down automatically. So I'm gonna run this command called spanning tree BPDU guard enable. Okay, so now let me see if I delete this one. Let me see if I delete this. I'm going to delete this. If I delete this one and then I create a rough switch, for example here, and then I'm gonna connect this, it's gonna shut down automatically. Here, as you can see here, fast Ethernet 0 and change it to 2. Look, it's gonna down automatically, as you can see that. Okay, so that is the importance of putting a BPDU guard. So if you have a rough switch here connected to this one, it will disable automatically. Thank you. Hopefully this video is informative to you, and you're welcome to review again if it's not clear. Thank you.